In the last video, we laid down the midnight purple vinyl wrap on our fake Lamborghini drift car build, and it turned out absolutely amazing. Better than I could have imagined, really. But we cannot get too far ahead of ourselves because we still have a huge amount of work left to do. But today is another really exciting video for the build because our new wheels have arrived for the build. Now, don't be fooled by the boxes. They are not Simmons and they are not Strom wheels. And I am going to show you exactly what they are a little bit later in the video, but first we need to be a little bit disciplined because we still have this giant gaping hole in the middle of our car. So I've fitted the driver's seat, that's all bolted up. I've sheet metaled in everything under the seat. Ignore the rust, it did rain a little bit whilst we were transporting the car to get vinyl wrapped, but that's just surface rust. I need to final weld the whole lot of the interior and we need to lay down the paint. But I do need to fit this passenger seat and get it all locked off in the interior. And the reward for getting that job done is going to be that we can fit the wheels to the car. It's a nice little bit of motivation for myself, really. Now off camera, I've already been getting a lot of work done on the car. As you can see here, I've filled in all of the guards underneath and I've even seam sealed it as well. I've added in this mounting point to the body here. That can also act as a jacking point, but we're gonna add another jacking point down the side of the car. So we're constantly getting things done on this car. And even as it stands, it's going to be a non-stop battle to get this thing done for the upcoming event at the end of January. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fit the bucket seat into the car. Watching a bit of night ride while we work, so good. Shout out to Sam, his JZX. Wide body going on, looking sick, so good. It is day 11 of the 12 days of Mikemas, where we do daily vlogging and do giveaways in every single video, just to say thanks from me to you guys for watching the channel. Congrats to Blue Thunder 2910 who won yesterday's prize of the Lit Me headphones. Shout out to you, my friend. And today's prize is none other than a Lamborghini hoodie or t-shirt. You can take your pick off the Two Step Garage website. All you have to do, comment below on this video, be subscribed to this channel, and you're in to win. Don't forget also, this is your last chance to grab yourself one of those hoodies or t-shirts and be in the running to win that Camus Racing setup. It's an amazing setup worth $700. So if you want to support the channel, help me out with this build, go ahead, grab yourself a hoodie or a t-shirt. The design is absolutely amazing. But good luck to everyone that comments. Thank you guys. Back to the video. One of the biggest mistakes I always make is not bringing enough food to the shop and underestimating how long I'm going to be here. So I had to race down to the service station and get a quick snack. But the seat rails are coming along nicely. This is for you because you're going to be the passenger in this car. So we've got to make sure they're good. So I'm going to finish my delicious snack. Then we'll go ahead, weld those in, and then we can get on to the thing you're all here for, the wheels. Is so hard because the cabin is so small and getting the seating position perfect. I completely underestimated how long that was going to take us today. So this video is coming out late for you guys tonight, but you know, it is what it is. I feel like I've had enough of this job now, so I'm going to throw the seat in here and let's get onto these damn wheels. Please fit, please fit. Please fit. Skirt, skirt. It fits. Boom, 2 seats in the car. And for now, we can be happy enough with that. But it's finally time to show you guys the wheels that we brought. And I got a killer deal on these wheels. So the wheels that we got, are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. I'm so excited about these. Boom, look at that. Some dirty, scraped TE37s. I'm just kidding. I totally got you. You're in the screen. You were like, what the hell? We can't put those on the Lambo. These are absolutely not the wheels we're putting on the Lambo, but these are. Look at that, Workmeister M1s. These things are absolutely gorgeous. So choosing a style of wheel that was going to suit the Lamborghini was really difficult. Of course, they had to look somewhat period correct for the car. They absolutely had to be a genuine 3-piece wheel, but also it had to be a wheel that I really liked. So I actually fell in love with Work VSX wheels when I first saw them on the back of Matt Power's S14 that he used to drive in Formula Drift. That thing was absolutely gangster. And while these are not Work VSXX, they're a very similar size, and I think they're gonna suit this thing absolutely perfectly. Of course, we have the gold hardware in here, which should go really nice with our midnight purple wrap. But honestly, I'm absolutely obsessed with these things. So we got a really good deal on these things. We paid $2,200 shipped to our door off Facebook Marketplace. These are 18 by 10.5 -15 rear and 18 by 9.5 -21 on the front. So they are big wheels. But they're actually perfect sizes for this thing because it's so damn wide. The wheel that we currently have on the back of this thing is an 18 by 10 -15. So we should have a little bit more width with the new wheels. They are also not my wheels, so I couldn't keep them on the car even if I wanted to. But let's go ahead and unbox the rest of these wheels because I haven't even opened them all yet. Then we can throw some tires on them and put them on the car. I'm so freaking excited. So good. Yes. Dang, there's just something about seeing a big old set of 3-piece wheels sitting in a set like this that just really does it. Does it in all the right ways, I reckon. So good. All right, don't fuck this up. It's so weird having wheels I actually have to care about because all of my wheels are on my drift cars, so they're all kind of semi-damaged and not really crazy expensive wheels, whereas these are next level, so I am very nervous. So far, so good. See, I knew those old drift tires would come in handy at some point. Perfect for test fitting. So this is a 235/40 on the front, and I think it looks pretty good, but we'll have to suss it out once it's on the car. And this is a 265 on the rear. It's a slight amount of stretch, but nothing crazy. We have to run 265s on the rear of this car simply because a 235 on the back of such a wide car just looks absolutely silly. But we'll go ahead and throw the front on first. It's definitely gonna fill the guards. Alright, time for the rear. What a moment. Here we go. Please fit. That is so good. Wow. Oh my god, man. Jesus. So the car's back on the ground. I've pushed it forward a little bit as well, and I threw the door back on just for you guys, so we can get the full scope of exactly how this looks with the new wheels on it. But are you ready? Check that out. These wheels look absolutely insane on this car. The fitment is absolutely bang on, so I'm very happy about that. The front, we do need to change the front tires for sure, but the wheels themselves are absolutely perfect in terms of size. I think the silver and the gold really suit the midnight purple. It looks so good on the car, but geez, let's have a look from the back. It's hard to get the full scope of how it looks with the hoist there, but they're perfect sizes, that's for sure. But you can see what I mean at the rear. With anything smaller than the 265 would just look strange because these tires already look small because the rear end of the car is just so big. But once again, I think we've just nailed it with these wheels. It looks absolutely amazing. They're the perfect style for the era of the car. And I could honestly just stand here for hours staring at this thing. It looks so freaking good. We've done good, guys. We've done very good. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys love the wheels as much as I do, and this is the last Slambo video you're gonna get for this year because tomorrow I'm dropping it off to Bailey. He's doing a bunch of fab work on this car, so you'll see it on approximately the 3rd or 4th of January will be the next video for this thing. It'll have the intercooler piping done, the exhaust done, the intake plenum, a bunch of stuff right on the road to starting this thing for the first time in the next couple of weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment if you want to win the prize, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, bye. Jeez, this thing looks good with its new wheels. Cheers, guys. Bye. Slambo, Midnight Purple. Can't beat it. Bye.